Hello, are you looking for a newer home in Wasaga Beach? One built by a very well respected local Wasaga Beach developer, somewhere with 5-star curb appeal, meticulously maintained and just steps to the nod of Wasaga River. I'm Andrew McKay, Remax by the Bay Brokerage here in Wasaga Beach, and this is 53 Edgewater Road, Wasaga Beach. Please click the link in the description for full details. Here's how you'll enjoy the home. Which real estate cliche is most appropriate? Move-in ready or location, location, location? Or maybe both? As soon as you walk through the front door, it is obvious how immaculate this custom-built home is, exemplified by extra-width baseboards, rounded corners, 9-foot ceilings, hardwood and ceramic tiles. It's not just about style though. The floor plan is practical, flexible and will appeal to couples, retirees, those looking to downsize and small families. The oversized entrance foyer with inside entry to the full double garage that is both insulated and drywalled leads to a semi-open plan living room and eating kitchen. Light and space is not a problem. A kitchen that will undoubtedly be a favourite area with quartz countertops, glass tile backsplash, stainless steel appliances and pot lighting. The master suite has more than enough room for a king bed, plus an ensuite including stylish and modern glass walk-in shower. A second double bedroom completes the main floor. Do you need more space? The basement is already finished with a rec room, oversized bedroom, 2-piece bathroom and laundry area. The unfinished area is perfect for adding equity with a further bedroom or home office and enlarging the bathroom, still with plenty of storage. As to location, stores, restaurants and of course the beach are 5 minutes drive away, and it's just 10 minutes to the new twin pad arena or casino. For outdoor lovers, as well as the river access just steps away, the nearby Wasaga Beach Nordic and Trail Centre is the starting point for over 50 kilometres of hiking trails, including sections of the Garanaska Trail during the summer. Enjoy cross-country skiing, skate skiing, snowshoeing and fat biking over the winter months. $1 million riverfront homes opposite ensure the value and exclusivity of Edgewater Road. Well, that's 53 Edgewater Road here in Wasaga Beach. If you know anybody that may be interested in this home, please do share the video, and if you would like more details or to view the home, contact me. Cheers.